tray for pad thai. The first one that look like spring onion. The chive. Can smell it? The smell is smell with the garlic.
We ate this yesterday because we ate pad thai.
Yeah. If you want to make the original pad thai, you need to have garlic chive. Yeah, but nowadays someone don't like too much stuff for flavor from this, so they can switch to the spring onions. If you cannot really cannot find the garlic chive, you can switch to the spring onion.
Spring onion.
Yes.
But it's better.
This is a garlic chive. Yeah. Now you can chop around 4 or 5 pieces together. Yeah. You can chop it 4 or 5 pieces. Don't need to do anything with that. We already made this. The garlic. You see, we made with the skin tofu from tofu.
Yeah, here.
This one.
This
From tofu. You see the yellow one over the tofu is a mark for the from tofu in Thailand. Yeah. It's okay if you buy from the supermarket. It's already have the name or the brand or like that for sure what kind of tofu, right? But if you buy from the local market, the seller always put everything together, every kind of tofu together, and sometimes the from tofu have the whites as well. But most of that is a yellow. So if you're not sure you're gonna get the from tofu, you can look for the yellow one. Because if you touch and you find this one is from tofu, if you touch too much, maybe still looking stuff on your face. And now you can chop the white one, the bean sprout.
Taugi sa.
Yeah. Egg, 1 egg, chicken egg, yeah. And something like a pea inside the cup. Yes. Who know what is this?
Ginger?
No. It means sugar. Yeah.
Ah, okay.
What kind of sugar?
Brown.
Okay.
Like
Almost.
half a teaspoon?
Sugar cubes?
No.
Brown sugar? Same sugar. Date sugar?
The tree that have the green fruit, that have the liquid inside.
Coconut?
Yes, coconut sugar. Coconut sugar. But the when we make coconut sugar, it's not from the coconut. It's not from the fruit.
Yeah,
it's from the flower. Yes.
Coconut sugar.
But we use the coconut sugar because it's easy to find in Thailand. And when you make something like have the sauce or something juicy, thickness, we always put with the coconut sugar because it have the thickness and make your pad thai like so good. Also the color, because today I teach you in the original way, so I don't have already set the sauce or like this. So you can get the color just from the sugar. Fish sauce, tamarind sauce, the red one from the chili. That's why we use the coconut sugar. And the next, the tamarind sauce. Do you know tamarind?
Yeah.
Tamarind.
Oh, that's good.
You can
Palit
look
dito,
at
anahan.
So if
We
you
have-
have it, if you don't have it,
It's tamarind for snack. It's sweet. Not for cooking, for snack, they're not
Right.
sweet. But for cooking, we use the tamarind paste. Like
Ah,
this.
okay.
This is just meat, but some brand still have the stem and the seeds. But some brand is don't have anything, just the meat from the tamarind. So this one is sour. For cooking, it's sour, it's not sweet.
Okay.
Before you cooking, you need to soak in the water first. In the hot or warm or room temperature, it depends on you. But for me, I prefer hot and warm because when you use squeeze it tends to be dissolved quickly or more than the room temperature. Yeah. And you squeeze until it tends to be the sauce like this.
what's the ratio? Water to that? How much water? How much?
How much?
Yeah.
It depends on you like how much strong. If you
Okay.
put less water and then squid is so creamy like that. But if you put more water, it's just soft.
It
Yeah.
becomes- yeah. I see.
Okay. But now
Exactly.
in the brand, sometimes not fresh like the paste. But the good thing in the brand is the taste because the taste is same every time.
It's already there.
Yes,
Okay.
it's easy for control your taste when you're cooking.
Exactly.
And this one is a noodle. No noodle, no pad thai.
Yeah.
Rice noodle. You see,
Rice
this is
noodle.
a medium size when we make pad thai, we always use in the medium size. We don't use with the white rice noodle too much, too big size or too much thin size. But nowadays they try to adapt with another kind of noodle, like rice noodle, egg noodle. It's okay. Maybe you can try with pasta noodle.
Pasta.
Because Thai people make the pad, spaghetti pad kimao. Spaghetti is the Italian food,
Italian,
and
yeah.
pad kimao is like the stir fry in the Thai style. So they mix together.
So it's a fusion.
Yeah. So maybe you can try to mix Italian and Thai food again with pad Thai. So okay, this is the dry. You buy this one, right? Before you cooking, you need to soak in the water first in the hot.
Warm.
Room temperature or
Yeah.
the cold water.
I
Don't
see.
soak in hot or warm
Ah, I
because
see.
it can cook before you cooking.
Yeah.
And the noodle is shaky like that. So today we already soak it for you. We use it the same type, but a little bit more smaller.
How many minutes?
10 or 20 minutes, or it depends on size. It depends on type and noodle until it's softened. Yes. But for we have another one like it's not just only rice noodle. It's like the noodle for pad thai. So that's one you can soak already. If you forget or something like that. You see some restaurant for pad thai restaurant, right? They soak in the water long time. Nothing happened with the rice, even though you soak it.
So after soaking, you drain it or what?
Sorry?
After soaking, you drain it or what?
Yeah, you just put and
I
put it
see.
that way.
I see.
If you soak long time, right, you don't need to put more water when you serve because it's already soft too. Yeah. But yeah, like today we need to put a little bit more water when you serve for easy to serve and softer noodle like that. Okay, and the next one, pickle. It's named from the white radish or pickle radish. This one is salty. We pickle together with the garlic and the salt, water, and radish. When you bite it, it's already crushed like that. You don't need to crush; it's already crushed. This one for a hot soup. We use this one for hot soup for some stir-fried noodle, porridge, noodle soup like that.
Yeah.
Toast peanut.
Roasted or what?
Yeah, roses and then.
Unsalted.
But we don't made it. We buy it. Nothing wrong.
But chili flakes?
Yeah, chili flakes. It made from the bird eye chili, the medium one that you take in the morning.
And then
Nice.
you,
So this one have a little bit less spicy, but just a little bit. It's still spicy. If you're not sure how much spicy, you can check the taste first, or you put just 1 tiny spoon like that. Because you can add more later. You see the set on the table? The set for cooking after you cook it. You can add more later, it's okay. Chili flakes, crushed peanut, and the fish sauce you can add more later. So this salty smell is so bad,
yeah,
but
fish
it's so
sauce.
yummy when
Yeah.
you put the heat. Okay, now let's check again on your tray. Have 5 cups like this. Okay. The first cup for fish sauce, you can take it half cup or more if you like saltiness. And another cup for the ingredient in the bowl.
Okay.
Everything in the bowl, you can take it whole cup or full cup, except chili. Okay?
So yeah, 5.
Where can you buy the? Soybean oil. Soybean oil. You can just not have the oil except the butter and coconut oil because it's conventional. And the butter is burned too fast, also the color, also flavor. But it is good when you make the steak, you tell the meat, for Thai food, no butter. Okay. Now to this one I show you tofu and garlic. Or get to medium.
Turn off the gas.
Okay, then you can